Hello students, welcome to your maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SGJDAV School, Haripura. Today we are doing our chapter 4 fractional number, worksheet number 6. In this topic is multiplication of fractional number. How to do the multiplication of fractional number? Let's see. There is a statement 1 by 3 multiply 2. 1 by 3 is a fractional number and 2 is not in the fractional form. Let's convert it into the fractional number. 2 is a whole number, or you can say it is a natural number. If a number has no denominator, then take 1 as the denominator. Now multiply the numerators with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. In this, numerator is 1 and in the second term numerator is 2. It means 1 multiply with the 2. Now both the denominators are multiplied. 3 into 1, that is 3. Now this is the answer. See the next part. 5 by 8 multiply with the 9. Again in this, 9 has no denominator, so let's take denominator of 9. Now multiply the numerators. 5 nines are 45, 8 ones are 8. Let's see, this is not in the proper fraction. So you can convert it into the proper fraction like this with the division method. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. Divide it with the 8 5s are 40. Then remainder is 5. It means this is the quotient, that become the whole number. Remainder become the numerator and the divisor become the denominator. It means their answer is 5 is to 5 by 8. Let's see another question. C part. This is in the mixed fraction form. 4 is to 1 by 2 multiplied with the 4. Now firstly we convert this mixed fraction to the fractional form. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2 multiplied 4. In this, 4 has no denominator. Let's take 1 as the denominator. Now let's see one more thing, how to do this. You can simply multiply it. 9 4s are 36 upon 2, and after that divide 36 with the 2. When you divide 36 with the 2, 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. Next number is 6. 2 8s are 16. It means answer is 18. Let's see one more method. When we convert it into the fractional form, if numbers are in the multiplication form, then numerator cut with the denominator or denominator cut with the numerator. 2 is the smallest number. Let's recite the table of 2. Can we get the 9 or 4 on the table of 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We get 4 at the table of 2, 2 twos are. That's why we cut it. One number cut only one time. Now our statement become 9 upon 1 multiplied with the 2 upon 1. Now multiply it with 9 twos are 18 upon 1. When we take the denominator 1, so we can remove also the denominator, that is 1. One denominator को हम remove भी कर सकते हैं. It means 18 is the answer. There are two methods to do this question. One is this and one is this. Let's see one more part. D part. Again this is in the mixed fraction form. Convert this mixed fraction to fractional form. 3 nines are 27, 27 and 1 28 upon 3. Multiply with the 27. Now 27 has no denominator, that's why we take 1. Now 3 is the smaller number and recite the table of 3. At that, if we got 28 or 27, when we multiplied 3 nines are 27, it means 27 comes on the table of 3 at 9. So we cut 27 at 9 and 3 at the 1. 3 comes on the table of 3 at 1. 27 comes on the table of 3 at 9. Now both the denominators are 1. अब डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर ही नहीं है, दैट्स वाई वी नॉट कट एनी अदर नंबर. नाउ this is the remaining part. Now you can multiply it. 28 with the 9. 9 8 is 72. 7 is the carry. 9 2 is 18. 18 and 7 25. It means 252 is the answer. Let's see one more part. I part. That is 49 multiply 7 is to 1 by 7. Now convert this mixed fraction into fractional form. 49 has no denominator, that's why take 1. Multiplication sign. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 1 50 upon 7. Now 7 is the smaller number. Check, we can cut any numerator. 7 ones are 7. 7 sevens are 49. It means 7 into 50. That is 7 upon 1, 50 upon 1. Their answer is, multiply both the numbers. 7 5s are 35 and 1 0, that is 350. Let's see one more example. That is K. 45 multiply with 2 is to 1 by 9. Convert it into the fractional form. 9 2s are 18. 18 and 1 19 upon 9. Now check, any numerator come on the table of 9. 45 comes, that's why we cut it. 9 ones are 9 and 45 comes at 5, that's why 9 5s are 45. Now multiply it 5 with the 19. Both the numerator are 1, that's why we need not take the denominator. Now 19 5s are 95. That is the answer. Like this you have to complete worksheet number 6. Thank you.